नमस्कार, मैं सुजीत चक्रवर्ती। आज today we'll speak about organic biodynamic home gardening. What are the importance and why should we do home gardening and grow our own food at home? Nowadays we see that there are a lot of activities, a lot of tricks going on in the market, in which we see that people, the sellers use different kind of things to look their products, particularly the vegetables, fresh vegetables, look fresh and attractive. This thing also is happening now in at the farmers level also. There is a demonstration of this, which you can see here. It is in Marathi basically, but doesn't matter. Now you can see as they're dipping the vegetables, leafy vegetables in the container, the tub, they are finding, you can see that it is giving froth. That means some kind of detergent is used in this. And now you can see the vegetables as the leaves are freshening up. You'll further see how it's working. See, you can compare the thing. One is dipped in the solution and another is dipped in the water, which has not recovered, which is not looking stale only. And this demonstration is going on at a farmer's home, perhaps. And now earlier he dipped it in the plain water. Now he's dipping same thing in the same solution, and you see how it recovers. Almost instant action is happening, and you can see that now it is recovering and it will look as fresh as freshly harvested. But the trick is something which is not good for us. It is detergent, and detergent is not good for our health, although it may be natural source, from natural source, like soap nut is also a natural source, and detergent, as a detergent, it used to be used in the earlier days. So we should be careful, and that's why we have to understand that why we need to do our home gardening, why should we grow our own food at home. So let's come to the base of this session. What is our objective? There are many hobby gardening aspirants who wish to fulfill their dreams about growing own organic food at home. But perhaps somewhere they are not able to start their own venture because somewhere something is missing. What is that miss is perhaps the conceptual guidelines. So this program, I expect, shall prove an inspiration for the amateur gardeners. What is organic? First, let us understand what is organic. Organic is not a fashion statement, but a way of life. Organic is not premium, not exclusive, but most common thing in the nature around us. Organic is not only for the classes, but it is for the masses. Organic is not a product, but a concept of following a process. Organic is natural, original, and real. Organic is unconditional harmony with Mother Nature. Nature's law is for balance in ecosystem, and any deviation in its equilibrium is indicated through changes in climate in both at macro and micro level. Global warming is one such macro level indication in which we are seeing the devastation, different kind of climate change, unwanted floods, rains, or high temperature, low temperature variation. It is a deviation from the normal. Different types of pollutants are affecting directly or indirectly our environment. So it all works collectively. It's not in one factor working in isolation. There are multiple innumerable factors which work together simultaneously, and it is affecting the environment, the ecosystem, and we are part of that. So we are not exclusive or not away from that. We are we are well within that system. So we are also getting affected. Pollution from conventional agriculture is one of the main contributors in this process of damage to the environment. So question is, has this problem reached a point of no return? I think no. We are still having time to save ourselves, save our environment, balance our ecosystem, and create a healthy Mother Nature. The understanding from this is, let's nurture the nature so that Mother Nature can nurture us. Thank you.